Okay folks, this is my first meal done with the Kuhn Rikon microwave pressure cooker. I can tell you what's in there. I seasoned 3 boneless chicken breasts with some Italian seasoning and put them in. Then some miniature tomato potatoes, I put them in with their seasonings. Then I used a half a cup of apple cider vinegar and 1.5 cups of water, and then the steamy tray that comes with it I put on top, and then I had a bag of steamable in the bag broccoli, so I opened that up and put that in on top. We have a 1150 watt microwave, so I have a conversion thing for, takes you from a 900 watt to a 1250 or 1150 to 1200. So put it in for 14 minutes and we'll see.
Hey Google, play Country 105.
Okay, the steamy button has gone down, so let's check this out. The broccoli is done. So I'm going to scoop that out into a bowl. Let's get the broccoli out of here. Ooh, and it's done. Yes, these are steamed. These veggies got steamed in the pressure cooker. And then, oops, that's going to be a little hot, so let me get a fork. Take them out of there. And there's the potatoes. And the chicken. That definitely looks done. Oh, yummy. This thing's going to be so cool because I hate to cook. So this works out really nice. Instead of having to put something into a slow cooker, which we do still have a slow cooker here. But a lot of times you forget to put things in the slow cooker. This one you just put everything in like you would a slow cooker. Stick it in the microwave for 15-20 minutes, and dinner's done. Okay, bye.